Welcome to Tooltech Geek. I got the Victorinox Rambler. This is a favorite of many EDC YouTubers. So I received that yesterday and I'll show you what it is and do some comparisons. So it's pretty small but still has a lot of tools. That's why it's so liked. Has the file, flathead screwdriver, small scissors that could be used for cutting your nails, and then you will use the file to file them. So here you have basically three tools just on this side. Then you have the blade, small blade, and this multifunction tool with Phillips screwdriver, a bottle opener, and this notch could be used for bending wire potentially. Then it has the scale tools, which is this kind of toothpick, and the tweezer. So lots of things in a very small package. It's not the smallest Victorinox. One of the ones that takes the least space is the SD Alox, which is much thinner. But and this, I like this because I can put it in a kit with other stuff and it hardly takes any space. But this has more functions. This is almost all this function is a multi-tool. You have scissors, Phillips bottle opener, the flathead, file, blade. So a little smaller, but it has functions that will take a lot of space in a multi-tool. And you have it in a small thing. You can carry this in your keychain or such and get all those functions. So that's why people like it so much. And it's still smaller than a larger Victorinox. That this is a little more awkward to take. Of course, yeah, you have a bigger blade, etc. And then, like, this screwdriver is very solid, so there is a place for the bigger Victorinox, but still, this is a pretty awesome. Took me a long time to decide, because I don't know if I want to get so many multi-tools, but nowadays it's possible that some will increase in price, maybe not these ones because of the different tariffs or whatnot, but nevertheless I'm pretty happy that I get to see what it's all about. So small, so many tools. Now I want to see if it fits in these pocket containers that I 3D printed. So will it fit in one of these? That's a question. These are containers where I carry things. Let's see, how will it look? Is this one? Yes, it does. So these are designed this curvature. So this part goes against you, and this is the fabric of the pocket, and you kind of have it in your pants, and you don't even feel it, but you can still carry a lot of items. Sometimes I have a band-aid, things of that nature. So it fits in this bigger one. Let me see. I doubt that it will fit in this smaller one. But let's see. Here's some band-aids. Almost fits, but it's a little too big. So, in contrast, the SD Alox fits. So that's the thing with the thickness. Sometimes for these tiny kids, a thinner one is better. Nevertheless, this is a great little multi-tool. Comes in a box it comes with some kind of instructions even. Let's see. Let's take a look. has maintenance instructions. I guess how to safely use it. Maintain it with oil. It has some instructions, that's interesting. And it has a warranties, lifetime warranty. Okay. Not too much here, but some instructions. In any case, this is a Rambler. I'm gonna see if I get to use it much or not, but big favorite. Thank you for watching.